Okay, welcome to episode 7 of 6000 years Lego show. No, I'm not gonna be here Friday or Saturday because I'm going to do a funeral of my great grandma. She passed away today, age of 96. So today I have a custom review. Wounded soldier, stormtrooper. So, okay, let's just get on with this. So, so let's have here is stormtrooper who's in hand. Happy face. And doing this recovers the wounded warrior. So, just a second. Just twist that and then he feels all better. So that will be it. Final words. You can do custom. You can do custom reviews. It's just you have to imagine your own stuff, right? That's why it's called custom. Custom means that it's you build it. You build it by yourself, and it's your own creation. But if you're if you're watching this and you don't have any count, but if you do get one, you can do your own custom reviews or Lego reviews, custom. So you can do your own custom Legos, and you can do it if you have tons of Legos. I have tons of Legos in the basement. So that would be it. So goodbye.